Hello, I'm gonna be showing you exactly how you can list multiple items in one eBay listing. Now just follow the steps in this tutorial and you will be able to do just that. Now you just need to log in into your eBay store and then you want to click on sell in the top right, okay? So after that you want to click here on create listing and then you will be able to be here. Now just need to add the title of the product here. So after you add the title of the product, click on search and then you want to click on new with packaging or used, depends exactly what you are selling. If you are selling used items, you want to go with used. If you are selling with new products, you want to click on new with packaging and then click on continue. Now after you are in this page, the first thing you need to do is to click on three little dots in the top right. And then you will be able to see here settings, click on it, and then you want to enable variation option here. It's hidden and a lot of people didn't see this, so you just need to enable it. It will be like this. You want to enable it, make sure it turns blue. Okay, so after that you want to add the images of your product. Okay, here just add all the different images like colors and everything, and here you want to add this, like the sizes, brand name. After that you will be able to see here variations. This is exactly sorry, I'm going to go back. Here is exactly where you can see variations. Okay, so this variation here allows you to list multiple items in one eBay listing. Now what you guys need to do is you want to click on edit next to it. Okay, now after that, if you are selling like rings, it will be automatically here saying ring size. But let's say you are not selling it, just remove all of this suggestions. Now attributes, here you wanna add, you wanna click on add, and then if you have product with different colors, you wanna select here color, and then click save. Okay, we have selected color. Now this product comes, for example, with brown color, blue color, red color, silver color, 4 colors. You can select as many colors as you want, by the way. Now if this product comes also with different sizes, you want to click in the top here attributes, then click on plus again, and then click on add your own attribute and then select size. Okay, this now if you click on size, you will have to add XL, M, whatever. If you click on color, you will only be able to add colors here. I'm going to click on size and I'm going to click on create your own. Now this thing comes with M size and also XL size and XXL size. Okay, only 3 sizes. Of course you can add as many as you want. Okay, now after that you want to click on continue. Now another way, which is a good thing if you are doing this, it increases sales, is you want to, after you click on add, now you have added different sizes here. What I want you to do is you want to click on use default photos and then click on color. Now each color you want to add the image that is specifically related to the color. Now if you are selling different colors like t-shirt, for example, you are selling blue, red, silver, brown. If you click on brown, you want to add here brown t-shirt. Okay, just add it here so that when your customers select brown, they will be able to see the image automatically. If you click on blue, you will also add the blue color here and then red color here. Now after you are done, now you want to go here and you want to add the prices, also the quantity here. If you have like different quantities, like if you have 10 like quantity, like if you have 10 pieces of blue color, you can add here 10, but you only have 1 piece with brown color, you can add here 1. Now the prices, you can add the prices for all the colors. You don't have to add the same price if you are selling, for example, brown color or M size for $20, but other colors you want to sell them for $30, no problem at all. Just here, click here and then add the price whatever price you want to add, and after that you want to click on here, save and close. Now that's all you need to do. And then here the description, you want to add here the description. Just click here on use EI description if you want EI to create description for you, or you can add the description using your own mind. Just add here the description that you want, okay? Or you can use the AI description. I hope guys this tutorial helped you. I really hope that, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Drop a like if you can, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.